We don't need to shake hands. That's fine. What's going on?
So my husband,
where is he right now?
He's in my bedroom where I work from.
Okay. All right, come over here.
This is not me. This is coming on the back of his back from the therapist.
Hanger mark. Whip up the hanger.
Because
I went
and delivered something that he was supposed to deliver to his friend.
Come over here. Come over here with me. I'll talk to you soon. Okay.
And
so what's going on?
Okay, so he wanted February 15th. His friend, he was supposed to go and deliver something to his friend. I went and took care of it. By the time I got back, the guy went to open the door because he was getting something from his truck from me. He was talking to me about a bug he had that he could fix for my daughter who's down at college. When he went to grab the doorknob, he tweaked his neck, or he made a thing like his neck was hurting. I'm like, dude, what's wrong? He's like, oh, I got a pinched nerve. I'm like, sit down. You know, when we came back in, I said, sit down. Let me rub that out for you. Well, I'm this big whore. I slept with him. I sucked his as he tells me. I got the, oh my God, I've got it all in my texts of what a I am.
But what happened today?
So today, I walked in, I was outside talking to my friend. He had been sleeping all day. Please tell him to shut their lights off. I mean, at least the sirens. So I come in, I'm sitting down there at work. Let him in my driveway.
He knows.
Right here.
He knows where we are.
Huh?
He knows where we are.
I was just saying he could pull right here in my driveway. That's all I was saying. I wasn't trying to be rude.
Let's
so
continue
anyways,
on.
So I'm in there and he's talking to his friend, his girl, quote unquote friend who's a girl, and then he's like, "You're such a you're a slut, you're a tramp, you spread your legs for anyone. All it takes is for you to have a few drinks and you anyone." And then I started slapping my crotch and I said, "You're right." And I couldn't take it anymore. I'm like, "Shut the up. Stop saying this shit to me." I'm sitting at my desk working. I was on the phone with my boss saying, "I'm going to jail. I got to punch out before I go to jail." And I couldn't take it. I just said, "Shut the up." And I just took a hanger and I just swung like this and I hit him across the back. That was it. It's just, I've got it all here. I've talked to my brother-in-law who's a Berwyn cop. He's like, "Jen," he even told me to strangle myself and put fake charges against him. I said, "I'm not."
He's over here.
He's on the side
He popped his head up.
I said, "I'm not doing that. I won't do fake charges." But the mental abuse has got to stop, and he won't stop. This is my home. It's in a land trust to me, and he won't leave. His brother has welcomed him in.
What's his relationship to you?
He's my husband.
So husband.
35 years we've been together.
Okay, well, you know.
And he thinks I spread my legs for anyone. We have 4 kids. We raised 5. And I didn't sleep with anybody, but I've been accused of it for the last 20 years, and I can't take it anymore. I'm just done with it.
All right, well, I can't fix your marriage.
I didn't ask you to.
I know, but I'm just saying. There you go. So you have had.
I do, but he doesn't, and he's psycho. He's disabled. Oh my God, oh my God. Ugh.
So you've done therapy, you've done counseling, but he won't do it. He won't do it, is what you're saying?
No, he won't do anything.
All right, well, if he's not willing to work on the marriage, then isn't it over?
We've already filed for the divorce. We asked the attorney for a 90-day separation. He was supposed to leave. He didn't leave. And he refuses to. And it's my house. It's in a trust to me. Not him, to me. So my brother-in-law, who's a cop, said, "Jen, people do it all the time. Put marks on yourself." I'm not doing that. I'm not putting fake
Okay, it's a little disturbing that a cop is telling you to do that, but
well, he
regardless,
said, "What else are you going to do, Jen? He's not going to leave."
Divorce him and leave.
He should leave. I live
if he's
here.
been,
This is my house.
nobody's ever. Your brother-in-law didn't bother explaining to you the whole order of protection thing. You could get an order of protection based on mental and physical abuse.
That's what I said.
So so you could have got an order of protection and got him out of here. Orders of protection would have banned him from this house, banned him from you. It's called a stay-away order. That would have been the way to take care of this and get him out of the house while the divorce proceeds. I don't know what your brother-in-law, Berwyn cop, is saying. You know, put marks on yourself. I mean, that's ridiculous.
I
know you wouldn't do it, but it's appalling that he would even say that.
I I mean, it's not like he hasn't in the past, but I'm not worrying about that. I just want him to leave. I mean, I've got 4 kids that I gave birth to and raised 5. They range from 19 to 25. I just can't do this. It's so horrible. And was I wrong? Yes, I was. But I was so angry, and I've been sitting
this
here
is a
listening.
continuation of stuff that happened on the 15th.
23 days of mental abuse I've been dealing with.
Because
23 days.
Because a friend of
Because
yours,
he assumes
because
I
a
had
friend
sex
of
with him.
yours pinched a nerve and you rubbed him down.
I rubbed right here on his shoulder.
How did he find out about that?
I told him when I came home.
Okay.
I said, I dropped this shit off,
That
you
day on the
needed to-
15th?
Right there, yes.
And then how long has this been going on for?
23 days.
Why? Why wouldn't he let it go? What sets him off? I don't understand what sets him
He
off.
wakes up.
Like today.
I woke up yesterday morning and I was told what a slut bitch I was at 6 a.m. because he hasn't slept. He's up 2 hours in 48 hours.
Okay. Does he drink?
Yes.
So is he an alcoholic?
I don't know.
Okay.
I mean,
does he
I
drink
think anyone
daily?
who drinks, does he drink daily? Yes.
What does he drink?
Beer usually. Sometimes cranberry and vodka. He hasn't been drinking anything.
So today
he just woke up this
So
week.
today he woke up, and while you're working.
Yeah.
So what time did you wake up? Just a little
What
while
time
ago.
is it? Yeah. 1:30 maybe. I was on my phone with my friend. Let's see.
So he wakes up, you're working, and he immediately starts in on you?
He woke up about 1:15, maybe 1:20.
Okay. And he immediately started in on you
When
about
I was
you being a
outside
whore.
in the back and talking to her on the phone because I just needed someone to vent to.
Yep.
I mean, I just made last night, I got up at 12:30 in the morning, and for some reason I had this feeling of just, God loves you. Why does God love you? So I wrote all the things why God loves you, and then what does God say about you? And I wrote all the things down, and then right next to it is what does Al say about you, and all the nasty things, so I can remember, and not that I can remember, it's so I know not to give in. I mean, we've been together 35 years.
Yep.
Since we were 17.
On March 4th, 2026, police in DuPage County, Illinois responded to a domestic disturbance. After 35 years of marriage, the wife Jen struck her husband Al once with a clothes hanger during an escalating argument fueled by 23 days of verbal and emotional abuse. Jen admitted to the officers that she lost control and hit him. Combined with the visible mark on Al's back, this gave clear probable cause for arrest under Illinois domestic battery law 720 ILCS 5/12-3.2. Both described years of mutual accusations. Jen cited long-term mental and verbal abuse from Al. Al accused Jen of infidelity and past physical violence, including knife incidents. Officers separated the parties, listened to both sides, and advised each to apply for an order of protection at the county courthouse if they felt unsafe. They explained that the house is marital property, even though in a land trust in Jen's name, so neither can legally force the other out without a court order.
I asked him to leave. He was supposed to go to his brother's, and he won't.
And he's
because
going.
I-
So again, he's
How are you,
going.
my friend?
He wakes up. He starts in on you immediately. You're at your
He
desk
hadn't
working
even
or
been
whatever.
to bed when I got up at 6 a.m.
And he
on
started
me.
yelling at you about how horrid you just couldn't take it anymore. And you, I'm sorry, did you hit it with a
I just grabbed
coat?
the hanger off my thing and just
Okay.
swang it at him, but he was laying there, and yes, I hit him once. It wasn't like I was multiple times. Have I done bad things in the past? Yes, I have. When I was a really bad alcoholic, yes, I have. But I stopped drinking like that. I stopped mixing my Xanax with drinking, and I just can't take
That's
it
always
anymore.
that's a positive move.
Yeah.
You should never mix those.
Well, no shit, because I was blacking out from it.
Yeah, exactly.
Myra, I'm standing here with the cops right now. I will let you know. I know, but I was telling... Wait, hold on. Do you want what? You can't go in that door. You got to go in the other door. But be careful. I have a pity.
I think Rob went inside, though.
Oh, then you should be able to go in.
Rob went inside, I think.
Go ahead.
Dogs.
He's not. He just barks a lot. He won't bite you.
A chihuahua bit him, so he's really afraid.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been chased around this town by dogs like you wouldn't believe.
Just can't take it anymore.
Jen, just tell him how you're defending yourself, or how he keeps going in the room, and how he it off you, that you have to get the hanger and push him off you by hitting him with it.
No, that's not it, though. He was just name calling, Myra. Let me give you a call back.
Okay.
Or I'll call you from jail, one of the two.
Well, before you leave, ask him if
Am I
you
going
can
to
call me
jail?
so you can let me know.
Yes.
Yeah, Myra, I'm going to jail. Am I going to Wooddale?
No, I'm going to DuPage County.
I'm going to DuPage County.
What's the bail?
Do you know what the bail is?
There is no bail anymore in Illinois. Basically, you're
Can
going
you
to
come get me in the morning?
you're going to
from
see the
court?
judge tomorrow morning. You're going to have a detention hearing. It's a domestic battery, so most likely not a violent domestic battery. It's just a domestic battery anyway. You'll probably be released. And that, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that hearing is going to be at 8 a.m.
Okay, can you be
Or
there?
that's when they start, I think.
Courthouse.
DuPage County.
DuPage County Jail, yeah.
DuPage County? Where's that?
That's off of,
Wheaton.
It's in Wheaton. It's off of, I can't remember the name of the road.
County Farm.
County Farm.
How you doing? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
It's all
Is the
right.
dog locked up?
Yeah, he's
Okay, what's going
This
on?
one's friendly.
This one's friendly? Okay.
No, we were just arguing, and she fucking picked up a hanger and right across my back with it.
Okay.
I've had cupping done, so that's
Yeah, I recognize the cupping. Right here?
yeah.
Okay.
I whipped it right across my back.
What are you guys arguing about?
Marriage. You know how it is. She cheated on me a few weeks ago. That was mine. He's cash.
Okay, no problem. Just marital argument. I mean,
You know how it is, man. But you can't hit. You know? And she hit me. I like to file charges.
okay, I'll talk with the other officer, find out.
Doesn't matter what names were called or nothing. Can't hit.
What did she hit you with?
Hanger.
A hanger? Metal one or a plastic one? Hey, how are you?
Stay tight.
That one?
Yeah, feel it.
Okay. Okay.
Left the mark on it.
Okay. Hi, I'm sorry, I keep walking away from you.
That's cash.
What's your first name, sir? So this just kind of stirred up after the infidelities, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I confronted her about it, and she denied it. Horrible names being called back and forth, and
What are you guys gonna do?
I want her arrested first.
Like I said, I'm dealing with you, so.
I did not touch her, so
Okay.
I was laying in the bed. She got mad when I was telling her. Picked up the hanger, came at me, and thought she was gonna get the scissors. Instead, she came at me with a knife before. Stabbing me at me with it, and I fucking put a pillow. She shredded it.
I'm gonna give you one of these cards because we got to do this. Have you ever been given one of these before?
No,
You take a picture of that with your camera phone, and it'll show up a fake website. It'll show up like Meditate, and you want to do sign up for classes. Basically, if you want to apply for how to get an order of protection and domestic violent rights. So let me find out what the other side of this
no,
is.
the house was in her name, but I paid the bills.
You guys are married, right?
Yeah.
Legally married?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's marital property.
So I could stay here and she could leave?
We can't kick anybody out. That's something, if you wanted to go after an order of protection, you could do that. The order of protection could remove her. We can't.
Right. So put
You know,
protection in. How long does that take?
You have to go out to the county and do that. Just go out there. They'll help you. They'll probably have an advocate or whatever. Unfortunately, only talking to you, I don't know what he's saying. He may be telling her to do the same thing.
Yeah.
So,
Hey, all their names, but I never touched her. Went back and forth.
So, let me ask you this. Is that what you guys are looking to do? Is part ways?
Yeah, we
Part
parted
ways.
divorce. We filed already.
Oh, you've already filed.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, these situations we don't have a right to kick. We can't kick anybody out of their house.
You could take her to jail, all right?
Well, let me think. I'm only getting one side.
All right.
Okay, fair enough.
I get it.
So, like I said, orders of protections are one way. Obviously, that's all up to judges and that. We don't have nothing to do with that. But I got to give you this for be able to. This has been going on for a while.
Unfortunately.
How long ago did you guys file for divorce? Just recently, or?
Well, a while ago, but then we went and tried to do a 3-month reprieve. You can see how that's working out.
Well, at least, I mean, hate to say it, at least you guys have got maybe a plan. A lot of people don't even have a plan. And this goes on for months and months and months. And
I need to get the fuck away from her. You know, because she started hitting before, and then it got worse and worse and worse. And like I said, she came at me with a knife. You know, attacked me when I was sleeping.
oh, what?
A knife.
A knife. Okay.
She attacked me when I was sleeping one time, punched me in the face.
How long have you guys lived here?
20 years.
20 years. Okay.
22 years almost.
Under Illinois' Safety Act, there is no cash bail. Jen would appear before a judge the next morning for a pre-trial detention hearing to decide release conditions. Jen was handcuffed behind her back per standard policy. The force used was minimal and appropriate given her cooperation. She was then transported to DuPage County Jail. Grading officers of professional calm separated parties well, gave correct legal guidance on protective orders and release rules. Jen C., she had legitimate grievances about emotional abuse, but physical violence violated the law and worsened the situation. Al B., he was the victim of the physical strike, but his prolonged verbal harassment clearly fed the toxic cycle.
Okay. Let me go out and talk with him, okay? So, yeah, eventually you're going to have to go out to wait. Because otherwise you'll just dismiss the case.
Absolutely.
And it'll probably, normally that kind of stuff pisses off the courts because we go through all of this and then,
I've never been through this before,
and then
so.
unfortunately then what happens, and I'm not saying it will by any means, so don't take that as I am.
Right.
But before you know it, it's let's try to work this out, Before you know it, it's okay, don't go to court, they'll dismiss it. Now all of a sudden we're back here doing the same thing 3 months from now.
Right. Oh, I know.
So-
the cycle. I know the cycle.
So it's not a good thing. So you have the meditate card. This officer will,
So what is that for? The meditate card? What is it for?
well, for an order of protection.
Oh.
Information on how to order. But you have to do that. We don't do that. That's not on us. You have to go out to the county, but part of her bond conditions are going to be to stay away from here. And they're probably going to be for X amount of time. A judge will probably let her come and get belongings with us. Because we can't, they're not going to prevent her from getting clothes. But
Sir, I'm more mature than that.
I am not saying you are, but I'm just trying to explain. A judge is going to allow her to get clothes
Absolutely.
with us present.
Okay. I get it.
And normally, lately, years ago, it used to be they had to stay away for 72 hours. Now, it's normally the length of the case. So it could be months.
Really?
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
So, like I said, it could be months. Again, as long as you're willing to go to court. That's our main thing. Okay?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
I was listening to I listened to Dr. Romney, who she's a therapist who deals with narcissists, and he keeps telling me I'm a narcissist because I'm not responding, and and I didn't say anything. And then I heard him tell his girlfriend he loves her, and I said, oh, that's why, huh? Telling your friend, quote unquote your friend, you love her? You and the horse you rode in on.
You heard, I'm sorry, that's a new detail here.
What?
You heard him tell his girlfriend that...
It's a friend who's a girl, supposedly, but, she's nothing but an alcoholic, and she's abused by her boyfriend. I called him JJ, which is her boyfriend's name. Called him Ray, which is my brother-in-law's name, who abuses my sister-in-law mentally. Thank you for being patient with me. I appreciate it. I don't get a lot of patience lately. So thank you. I'm ready.
Yep. Okay, so per policy, I do have to handcuff you.
Okay. My phone is in my sweater. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll put it in front here.
Can I do it in front, or you have to be in back?
Has to be in back.
Okay.
If I had a transport.
Well, if you had a seatbelt myself, you could put them on afterwards. Now you got a seatbelt me. Uh-oh, that's too tight. I can't twist. I have a broken wrist on my side.
What's too tight?
I can't twist it. I would like to sit like this. Like this.
Well,
Is that possible? I've never had
not exactly how we want it to go because you can. So it's really supposed to be like this. So I kind of have to keep it like that.
Okay, whatever you think.
It's a short ride.
I know.
Yeah, we're.
It's a bit liquid, I guess.
Okay.
Ooh, you guys need some cushions back here, though.
Yeah. Well, you know why we don't? Because people puke.
I can't do this, though. This is really hurting my wrist. That's okay. Don't worry about
Okay.
it. I'll be fine.
I'll get you
I'm
there
just
quick.
going to lean like this, though. That's okay.
That's fine. Yeah. Just have to close down this first before I crash the system. Okay. It's fine.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks.
Lessons learned from this incident. 1. Never use physical violence even when feeling emotionally abused or provoked. One strike can lead to immediate arrest and criminal charges. 2. If you are experiencing ongoing mental, emotional, or verbal abuse, seek an order of protection early. Do not wait until the situation explodes. 3. In divorce or separation involving shared property, no spouse can force the other to leave the home without a court order. Self-help evictions are illegal. 4. Mutual abuse creates a dangerous repeating cycle that is very difficult to escape without professional help, counseling, therapy, or legal intervention. 5. Police need continued training to better identify and document two-way abuse patterns so both parties can receive appropriate protection and resources. Jen was charged with domestic battery, a Class A misdemeanor. As of now, no further public information is available about the hearing outcome or final case resolution. Let us know in the comments if you would like us to analyze a similar case, discuss domestic violence laws in more depth, or cover any other police or courtroom topic. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police accountability and courtroom content.